All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So price up. Price up. How much something is. Price. So price something up. Definitely. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. So figure out how much something is to price it up. I will price these up now. Yeah. We have all these new things that need pricing up. How are you going to price it up? That needs to be priced up so we know how much to charge for it. How cool is that? Yeah. We're pricing up the new things now. Yeah. All these fruits, all these books need pricing up so we know how much to charge. I just priced them all up. Yeah. We now have an idea how much to sell them for. When things are priced up, we know their potential value. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. The pricing up is taking the longest time. Yeah, that's pricing up is the last part we need to do before it is ready. Yes. Everything else is organized and categorized. It just needs pricing up. Yeah. Our pricing up methods has to change. Yes. Our pricing up methods are old and we might need to change them. Yes. Because we have learned new things about pricing and money, really. Yeah, quite important. Pricing up is an important part of business. Important part of business because we need to know how much to make per product. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use price up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below and like the video? Subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.